Welcome to Pollen Power, harnessing the benefits of bee pollen, the ultimate guide to understanding the science, nutrition, and health benefits of bee pollen. Whether you're an athlete looking to boost performance, a busy professional seeking greater energy and focus, or simply someone interested in natural health and wellness, this comprehensive guide has everything you need to harness the power of bee pollen. Explore the many benefits of bee pollen and how it can help improve your immune system, digestive health, and energy levels. We'll also discuss how to choose high-quality bee pollen, how to incorporate it into your diet, and how to use it as a natural supplement for optimal health. With easy-to-follow tips and practical advice, Pollen Power is the perfect resource for anyone looking to unlock the full potential of bee pollen. You'll learn about the composition of bee pollen and how it can benefit your health in a variety of ways. We'll also provide you with easy recipes and ideas for incorporating bee pollen into your daily routine. So, if you're looking to optimize your health and vitality with natural, nutrient-dense foods, Pollen Power is a must-read. And don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. In addition, be sure to check out the link in the description or on our bio to get your own copy of Pollen Power, harnessing the benefits of bee pollen. This guide will provide you with all the knowledge you need to start harnessing the power of bee pollen today.